mag-shout. Huwag ilabas ang inyong baga. Sigaw lang. Ready! Hingang malalim. Buga! Hanggang na. Lamia, wait. 2 more times. Ready, go! Buga! Nice one. Last one. Inhale. Buga! Very good. Everybody, come closer to the person in front of you until you touch the shoulder. Teka muna, right face. All right. Everybody come forward until you're touching the shoulder of the person in front of you. Very good. And then now, you pat the back and say, good job. Good job. Good.
Good job!
And because you love each other, masahe ang ulo ng person in front.
Photo, may photo.
Gently, gently chop, chop, chop the shoulder. Alright, shoulder. Okay. Use your palm. I-massage ang likod. Very good. Very good. Okay, about face. Nagyapon. Pat the back of the person in front and say, good job.
Good job!
Massage the head. Chop, chop, chop the shoulder. And massage gently the back. Very good. Ay, natikil-tikil. Tiklis-tiklis. About face. Right. Hindi ba masaya ang bonding pag masaya ang activity?
Yes!
Kaya nga mas masaya ang pamilya, kahit natuyo, basta nakangiti, masaya ang pagkain. Tama ba yun?
Yes!
It's not about the food, it's about being together, doing things in a happy way. Right? Okay, very good. Now, this is very exciting. Are you ready for excitement? Yes! No? Nahadlok siya. Alright, this next activity, ang title namin, We Are One, Walang Iwanan. Shout it!
We are one! Walang iwanan!
Again!
We are one! Walang iwanan!
For the last time, with feelings.
We are one! Walang iwanan!
Sinabi niyan, promise yan. We will give you one piece of cloth. In 10 counts, you have to blindfold yourselves. Okay, give one, get one and give to the rest of the bag. Papanong tali. Ready, count. 1,